everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am testing out, like it's not really today, it's more been like the past 2 days. I've been testing out the new Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. So this hasn't launched yet. I think it's launching sometime soon in the next like week or so. But I actually saw a post on Hourglass's Instagram page and it was like, tag 3 friends for a chance to be the first one to try out our new mascara. And I always do those giveaways or like tag 3 friends for a chance to win blank. And so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna tag my friends in it and we'll see what happens. So I'm sitting at home, I'm actually doing someone's eyelashes and my phone keeps buzzing. Well, my watch kept buzzing because my phone was on silent. So I decided once I was done, I was like, I need to check what's going on. So I looked and we had won an Hourglass mascara. So you basically sent them in our info, did whatever, and on Thursday the mascara actually came in the mail. So it's a full-size product. It looks exactly like an Hourglass product would. It's their triangle looking packaging. It's got this really nice gold look to it. It says Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. They gave us this like card to kind of go with it. So I figured I would test it out. So in the upcoming clips, I've got me testing it out like one morning when I went to work and then kind of doing a review after. I'm wearing the mascara right now. I've been wearing it all day. This is the second day I've tried it and I freaking love this mascara. I've been using so many mascaras that I constantly have to sit there and brush through my lashes and try to like spread them out and make them more voluminous and do whatever. And this is the first mascara where I feel like I can kind of just sit there and like brush it out. And I absolutely love it. I would 100% purchase this again. I'm so happy they sent it to me and I'm so thankful that they did. And I absolutely love it. So you 100% need to go buy this. I want you to see sort of like my first impression try on with it. That's why I filmed it over 2 days to kind of like test it out, what's going on. But before you even see those, you need to know that I love this mascara. So I'm going to show those clips right now and then we'll get back into like our final thoughts at the end. Okay, so it's the first day. I'm going to be using this new Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. So I figured that I would do sort of a zoomed in first impression and we'll see what it looks like. So it comes in this really cute like gold box. Comes in a really nice like gold tube. It looks exactly like their foundation, stick foundation. So let's see what the stick looks like. Oh, okay, so it's not bad. I don't think I've ever tried it. It kind of goes like thick to thin, which is kind of nice because you can get on the edges. So I'll zoom you in even closer and we'll see what this sort of, how it applies. So it's not going on too thick, but it's definitely, I think, gonna be buildable. It looks really pretty. It's definitely not clumpy, which I like. You can see I'm kind of just like blinking to get the mascara on. I'm not going too thick. I am going back and forth. So it applies really nicely. I like it so far. So I'm gonna check in tonight. Probably right now it's 6:23 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to work. So I figured I would check in with you guys when I get back from work around like 5 o'clock today. And we'll see kind of like how it held up and we'll go from there. Okay, so I wanted to do a quick update. It is now 10 after 5 at night. I have gone to work, I have come home, and I wanted to zoom you guys in to see how the mascara is looking. So the one thing that I really look for in a mascara is that it doesn't transfer onto the top of my like eyelids near my brow bone. And I've been finding with the Makeup Forever one that every day like one of my eyes has some sort of like spotting going on, and this one has absolutely none and my lashes still look. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see what they look like. And then we're going to do a test video tomorrow to kind of see another day. So we'll give it another shot. Tomorrow I have a bridal shower to go to, so I'm going to zoom you in and see day 1 of the mascara. Okay, so now that you've seen me apply it and sort of like a close-up of the brush, I hope that you will all go and try this mascara. I don't know when it's going to launch. Like I said, they didn't tell me on the card that they sent, but this is absolutely amazing. I didn't get any smudging on the top. My lashes were lifted. They were longer. They feel like today I don't even feel like I'm wearing false lashes, but it has that same look to it and I absolutely freaking love it. It's like they say on the card. It's instant volume, saw no smudging, and 94% saw longer and lifted lashes. Well, I'm part of that 94%. I saw all of these and I freaking love it. Hourglass, as everyone knows, has amazing products and I think this is definitely one of them. So if you're looking for a new mascara when this launches, you need to go pick it up. It's absolutely amazing. Packaging feels nice and thick. The brush is something I'm not used to, but it's definitely something that I can get on board with. So I hope you all enjoyed this like test it out video. Let me know in the comments below if you like to see these sorts of things and what your thoughts are. If maybe you've tried it and you really like it, then let me know. But that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed and I will see you on my next one. Bye!